This is how to send and receive text messages on your laptop. And before we start, a couple of things you need to note. This only works if you have an Android phone, but it works on any browser, whether it's Windows or Mac. So let's get started. The first step is to open your browser and then search for messages.google.com/web. Then here, log in with your Google account. So just click on continue. And after that, we have to pair our phone with our laptop. So on your phone, ensure you've signed in with the same Google account and then just open Google Messages. So I'll do that. So here, I've opened Google Messages with the same account and I just have to click on the same emoji for verification. I'll do that. And it's done. As you can see, all my messages, they've come over here and now both are in sync. So if I send a message from my phone, it will show up on my laptop. And here on our laptop, we have the same options. So we can start a chat, or if you click on the three lines which are here, we have all these options as well. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.